Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a brand new Google Slides presentation right from the Google Drive app, perfect for when you're on the go and need to build a presentation fast. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account details to access your files. Once you're in, you'll see all your documents, folders, and files stored in your Drive. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a colorful plus button. It's the plus symbol. Tap on this button to open up the menu for creating new items. From the list of options that appears, select Google Slides. This is where the magic happens. Tapping on Google Slides will instantly create a new, blank presentation for you. In just a few seconds, you'll be taken directly into the editing screen, where you can start building your slides. At this point, you're ready to get creative. Add your title, insert images, and organize your content however you like. You can use the menu options to add new slides, choose different layouts, and even collaborate with others in real time. All your changes are saved automatically, so you never have to worry about losing your work. If you want to personalize your presentation, explore the themes and templates available within Google Slides. These can help your slides stand out and keep your audience engaged. You can also share your presentation with others by tapping the share icon and adding their email addresses, making teamwork easy and efficient. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, opening the Google Drive app, tapping the plus button, and selecting Google Slides, you're ready to create and customize your own presentation from anywhere. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, a class, or a project, Google Slides makes it simple and accessible. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.